Want to make your goals hypnotic? All right, so first you're going to do is pick 4 goals and you're going to run it through this process called cosmic goal setting. I created it for me and my clients, just 4 goals. You're going to write a statement that represents you hitting that goal. Say you want to move to Thailand. You're going to write a statement that says, I know I will have hit this goal when I can see myself sitting at the pool, my private pool in my private villa in Thailand. That's how you know you hit that goal. That is the end scene. Then you're going to write a statement of belief. I believe I can hit this goal because X, Y, Z. And you're going to do this for all 4 goals. Then you're going to turn over a new page and you are going to write a journal entry like it's a day in the life. It's a random Tuesday in December and you are now in Thailand. You wake up, what happens? Weave all 4 goals and belief statements into this journal entry. So, for example, it's Tuesday morning, I wake up and I check my bank account and I see that I have another pay in full client. I check my calendar and I have 2 clients scheduled for the day. I turn over and my boyfriend is still sleeping. I get up and I make coffee and I go to the pool outside of a private villa in Thailand. And I sit down and I just feel so good about being in Thailand and running my own business with the person that I love. And so that's your day in the life. That's you hitting all those goals. And so every night before bed, you're going to read that journal entry. You're going to feel those feelings. You're going to picture yourself doing that and then watch it all unfold. Good luck.